big boy was roughing up my shoe. I thought that would make a great toy. Hey, BB. There's our beautiful Seal Point girl. There's Grizzella. And her beautiful blue-lidded sister. Hey, BB. Where you going, lovely girl? Got a whole bunch of kitties over here on me. Hey, baby. Not you. Hey, lovely dog. She just wants to be on my lap. Hi, honey. Comfortable. She just always tries to take over the lap. It's just a lovely, lovely kitten. It's going to be a great little companion. There's our other girl. Oh, no, that's our big boy. Hi, Mr. Big Boy. You need some loving? Hey, precious baby. Look at you. Here's a big lovable wolf is what you are, Mr. Puss Puss. Oh, baby. You thought your sister got you? Grizella's eating more. She's a piggy wee. Hi, sweetheart. What are you after, mister? My baby. Hi. Interesting about these guys, I haven't seen them wrestling each other. My kittens would wrestle so hard, but these ones are very gentle. They play with their toys, and besides Grizz growling about the toys, they've been really, really good. They just find their own thing to do. Beans. I think that this boy doesn't know what to do with himself. Right, mister? You gonna get after my camera? Yes, everybody wants to get after my camera. Up on my lap. Silliest cat. The ball went under there, under my leg.